In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to strike through text on Canva. Whether you're creating a presentation, designing a flyer, or putting together social media graphics, this simple feature can make your design stand out. Strike through text is perfect for showing edits, discounts, or just adding a fun and creative twist to your typography. Let's dive right into it. First, open Canva and select the project you want to work on. This can be a brand new design or an existing one you've already started. Once your project is open, click on the text box that you want to edit. Make sure the text is properly selected. You'll know it's active when you see the toolbar appear above or near the text area. Now, direct your attention to that toolbar. You'll see various editing options like font, size, color, alignment, and effects. What we're looking for here is the strike through icon. It usually looks like a letter or word with a horizontal line running through the middle. If you don't see the strike through option right away, don't worry. Canva sometimes hides extra tools under a More menu, represented by 3 dots or lines. Click on those dots and a full list of text options will appear. From there, look for strike through and click it. The moment you click, Canva will automatically apply a line through your selected text. And just like that, your strike through effect is ready. It's a quick and easy way to communicate edits, mark completed tasks, or make price changes stand out in your design. If you change your mind or need to remove the line, simply click the strike through icon again, or hit the undo shortcut on your keyboard. Canva makes it super easy to toggle effects on and off without losing your formatting. Now, here's a little design tip to make your text pop even more. Try combining the strike through with other styles. For example, bold the text or change the color to something vibrant. You can even use it alongside italics or uppercase letters for a more editorial look. Mixing these effects helps create visual contrast and gives your design more personality. The best part is that Canva's text tools are all designed to work together. So as you continue exploring, you'll find plenty of creative ways to use strike through, whether for humor, emphasis, or design balance. By now, you should be confident in applying and customizing strike-through text in Canva. It's a small feature, but it can make a big impact when used thoughtfully. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you take your Canva skills up a notch. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Canva tips and design tutorials. Happy designing!